I give you all a warm welcome to this channel, where we will be teaching you guys the skills you need for driving. Today, we're going to present a video tutorial on the different skills that you need to have in order to pass a practical driving exam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, leave your comment below, and also make sure to subscribe for more videos. Enjoy! You want to pass this exam on the first try? In this video, we will go over everything that you must know. We will be practicing basic maneuvers such as starting, stopping, backing up, signaling, parking, and obeying the speed limit along with all traffic signs. One of the first things that the examiner will look for is whether or not you have full control over your vehicle. If you're intimidated by the car, you will tend to do jerky movements when starting, stopping, which will demonstrate a lack of confidence, and that is something you do not want since it will count against you. If you speed, run a traffic light or stop sign or any other arrows, you can be for sure that you will have to retake this test. Make sure your car is ready for the test. Your registration and insurance should be easily accessible. Tires should be inflated properly and in good condition. Lights will all need to be working, shield wipers functioning with washer reservoir filled, and speedometer among everything else working perfectly. Once you get there, make sure you turn your radio off. Adjust your seat and posture. Sit straight and at least 10 inches to 25 centimeters from the steering wheel. Make sure you put your seatbelt on immediately and then place both hands on the steering wheel, holding them at a 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock angle, slightly bent at approximately 45 degrees. Make sure your feet reach the pedals so you're not stretching to reach them. Once you practice that, the next important thing is to make sure you arrive early at least 15 minutes prior to your appointment. Bring your completed and signed driver's log and certificate, learner's permit, and other papers or certification that they might ask from you. Now, once it is time, you'll be getting in the car with the examiner. Relax and be confident. Ask any questions if you have any doubts or if you're confused. The administrator will gladly answer them. At all times, drive at a safe speed. Never exceed speed limit. Practice situational awareness. Check your mirrors regularly. Make this a little more exaggerated than normal. Keep checking your surroundings, always for other traffic and pedestrians. Keep the eyes on the road. When you're gonna change lanes, look behind you and all mirrors to make sure it's safe. Obey all signs. Come to a full stop. Look both ways before continuing. Don't forget to signal every time you're going to turn or intend to change lanes. Park confidently. Practice with your driver instructor or parents until you feel comfortable enough to take the exam. You should be ready to do parallel parking, backing up straight, and 3 points. Make sure you turn on your indicators. Back up slowly. Parallel parking can be intimidating, but you'll master it with practice. Before you begin though, find a space a few feet longer than your vehicle. Shift into reverse and slowly backing up. At the same time, turn the steering wheel towards the opposite side until the vehicle is at a 45-degree angle. Shift back to drive and pull forward to center the vehicle. A 3-point is designed to help you turn 180 degrees in a narrow space. It's especially useful in a dead end. Make sure you practice this without traffic in a safe place. You must have spatial awareness as to where your car begins and ends. Practice until you get it right, preferably at places with no traffic, as I said previously. Driving in reverse could be intimidating as well, but by driving slowly and paying close attention to your surroundings, you can also master this skill. Back up could be one of the most difficult tasks, so have patience and be aware of your surroundings at all times. Find a parking space not surrounded by many cars to practice. As you are learning, you might make mistakes, which is why it is a good idea to practice in a place where there isn't other cars nearby. There are 3 types of parking spaces: angle, perpendicular, and parallel. You should be proficient in all 3 before passing a driver's exam or getting on a road. Find a parking space not surrounded by other cars. Easier and safer as you are learning and you might make a mistake. Position your car. You want your vehicle to be at the right spot, at the right distance from other cars, so you can then steer your wheel correctly. Make sure that there is at least 5 feet between your vehicle and the other parked cars. Once you have your signal on, then slowly go forward until it is centered. Then start steering your wheel. Keep aware of other cars, that no one is trying to back up near you. Turn your wheel about half a turn and move forward slowly into the space all the way. Straighten out your wheels once your car is stopped. You want your wheels straight for backing up. Listen to the examiner. Most likely, they will let you know what you did wrong. Then, they'll let you know if you pass or fail. If you fail, thank them politely. You will have better luck next time. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos.